Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Avela CD324 Carbon Fiber Monopod. The CD324 Carbon Fiber 4-section monopod is able to extend to 71.25-inch fully and featured with a removable 3-leg support stand, which allows for smooth pan and tilt movements due to a ball joint that can be locked with a wingnut-style locking collar. The monopod loading plate adopts a reversible 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch mounting screw to make it suitable for most DSLR cameras. Lightweight and compact, supporting loads up to 13.2 pounds, folded to 27.55 inches, good for travel and hiking. Fluid head with removable pan bar, gives you smooth shot horizontally and vertically. Carbon fiber leg in 4 sections with flip locks enable fast and fumble-free setup. Extend to 71.25 inches. Using a supplied Y-style key, the user can tighten the screw on each spring-loaded flip lock to safeguard their continued reliable performance. The collapsible 3 feet support base featured with patent vertical lock knob, allowing the monopod to incline 15 degrees and revolve 360 degrees around the fulcrum. Our second best monopod for wildlife photography is iFootage Camera Monopod. iFootage is redefining design for camera equipment. This also includes professional filmmakers, nature and landscape photographers, documentary filmmakers, wedding and events photographers, studio photographers, a wide range of video content providers, and amateur video and photography enthusiasts. Lightweight, highly durable, quick and easy to set up, iFootage offers 3 adjustable feet and iFootage's patented quick release system on our new 3-in-1 monopod. 1 minute it's a true monopod resetting on its removable rubber foot, the next it's standing tall on its own 3 feet, allowing 360 degrees controlled movement via its tension control/lock at its base. Traditional tripods now have a serious rival. The monopod base enables 360 degree swiveling, 90 degree tilting in all directions, and allows easy switches from landscape to portrait modes. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Coleman KX3232 73.2-inch monopod. The Coleman monopod aluminum 5-section with fluid video head is a professional fluid video monopod made to satisfy videographers who leverage the height of their monopod to get above crowds and to achieve a wide range of shooting angles. The KX3232 monopod has improved fluidity and the superior performance of the leg, ensure incredibly smooth footage, ultra-sharp photos and creative shooting perspectives. Premium materials with aluminum, more lightweight, more max load weight. A folded length of 26 inch, weighing only 3.9 pounds and max load 13.2 pounds. This video monopod kit is ideal for travel and fast-moving situations like sporting events, travel and outdoor shooting. The monopod base enables 360 degree swiveling, 45 degree tilting in all directions, and 90 degree drop notch allows easily switch from landscape to portrait modes, locked in the upright position via its patented vertical lock. The removable base can be used as a small tabletop tripod. This camera monopod suitable for all SLR, DSLR, video cameras plus camcorders up to 13.2 pounds. The 5-section aluminum monopod leg extends to 73 inches fully equipped with ergonomic flip lock providing fast leg extension. By using a supplied Y-style key, the tightness of each flip lock on the monopod leg can be adjusted according to the respective requirements. Let's watch more.
Okay, there was a zipper around here. Here we go. First thing is the case is very nice. I like that a lot. And now, here is the Coleman Monopod. What I like about the thing, first of all, is it's got a really big foot. And you know what they say about big feet? Yeah, you gotta buy really big shoes. One thing that I noticed right off the bat is the video head is huge. One thing I like is how smooth it is. This is really, really smooth. And as a filmmaker, you're gonna like that a lot. The other thing I like is it's the clip style where it moves out like that. And it gets really, really tall. Now, back to the big feet. Flip them out like that. And what's nice about this monopod is that once you have this set up the way you like it right here, this thing can tilt. So when you're out on a trail and the ground is not level, it'll stay where you left it. And that's one of the reasons why I bought it. Okay, on Amazon, it's a Coleman KX3232 with fluid head and removable feet. 73-inch max load, 13.2 pounds. And I got this thing for only 125 bucks. Okay, now let's take another look at the bag. The bag, super sturdy, made out of some really good canvas type material. And you got your over-the-shoulder strap, which is very important. Inside, there's a little zipper pocket for some secret stuff. One ginormous quick release plate. Also in the bag, some stuff to give you knowledge about the monopod. Also, some really cool little Allen wrenches. You know why? You wanna know why? Because you can adjust this bad boy so that the head that they provide for you can be switched to another tripod, one with 3 legs, or not, but it can do the 1/4-inch thread or the 3/8 inch attachment for a bigger tripod. And so in conclusion, I think this bad boy is a bad boy. I like having this monopod with the 3 little legs on there. So if I was to let go for a minute, it ain't gonna fall over. Does that mean that I'm gonna get rid of all my tripods? No, but as I'm walking around on trails, I can walk around with this and maybe get some really nice video shots of the scenery, and this is gonna play real nice with the video look. And so that concludes my review on the Coleman monopod with the big feet. If you like this kind of thing, make sure that you hit subscribe and that like button. I would really appreciate it. And like last time, bring some donuts.
Number 4 in our side is Neewer carbon fiber monopod. This monopod is made of carbon fiber with durable and solid construction. It is great and helpful for shooting when you travel outdoor, and also can be used as alpenstock. 15-degree tilt of stand base can help monopod achieve 360-degree panoramic rotation. 5-position leg adjustment system provides flexible shooting. The included stand base can support monopod well, and offers great convenience to adjust different angles when you are shooting. With its light weight, it is easy to carry when travel outdoor. This carbon fiber camera monopod and a 3-leg tripod base, durable and solid. When the camera is mounted on a monopod, you need to hold the monopod with one hand, otherwise it will fall and may cause damage to your camera. With its light weight, it is easy to carry when travel outdoor, can also be used as an alpenstock. 1/4 inch screw on the mounting plate to install your camera. 3/8 inch screw hole at the bottom allows you to install a mini tripod. Number 5 in our top 5 best monopod for wildlife photography list is Vanguard Veo 2S AM264TR monopod. Veo 2S monopods let you nimbly move about your location to set up for the perfect shots. These sturdy and portable units are suited for action, travel, or street photography, as well as scouting wildlife afield. 3 compact, fold-out base legs accommodate fast deployment without fumbling with multiple full-length legs. Make easy height adjustments to the monopod leg without sacrificing stability using the easy twist leg locks. Each monopod comes with a smartphone connector and Bluetooth remote. Take these portable and rugged monopods on the go without sacrificing packing space. With a slim profile and a closed height under 2 feet, your monopod won't be a travel burden. A wrist strap and comfortable foam grip also accommodate easy movement around your location, pick up and shift to your next shot quickly. Twist leg locks help you set the right height for your subject. With Veo 2S monopods, enjoying agility does not mean sacrificing shot integrity. 3 fold-out legs lend reliable support and stability to help you stay still and focused. A simple twist also lets you choose between a fixed base position or a flexible pivoting feature. When base legs aren't necessary, simply fold them upright. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.